This looks awesome. Cool. I didn't know it could be so good. Mm-hmm. What do you mean I didn't knew? They ran a art channel. What? Anyways, this is awesome. Anyways, when you guys are here to see the art, it's good, right? Okay, now let's get into the video.
Eh? 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 Eh?
Yeah, guys, so what is up? Welcome back to another episode of Get Maths with Syed. Today we're going to be doing a new chapter of math that is going to be fundamental concept angle. Wait a minute.
You didn't have to cut me off.
Yeah, fundamental concept including angles and properties. So, without further ado, let's go! Yeah, guys, so in this one, the first thing that we have to learn is geometry. So, geometry is the study of shape, size, and other properties of different figures. So, take, I drew a, 1 minute. A triangle. So geometry is basically the study of shape. We have to study this shape, find its size, height, length, breadth, and all, and other properties like how many points it has, or how many edges it has, or how many vertices it has. So like that. This is the study of geometry. Now let's move on to the next thing, which is point. So a point is a mark of position. It has neither length nor width nor thickness. It occupies no space. So point is a mark of position. This one. This is a point. A mark of position. It has neither length nor width nor thickness. And it occupies no space. So this point, it is the starting of one line. It can be the starting of uh, yeah, I forgot.
You didn't have to cut me off.
Yeah, so it can be a starting of a line. It can be the starting of the radius of a circle. Hey, yo, what is this?
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
What is this? Okay, fine, whatever. So I hope you guys have understood what is geometry and what is point. Now let's move on to length. What? Sorry. Now let's move on to line. Yeah, guys, so a line. A line has only length. It has neither width nor thickness. Take this as a line. Okay, I know it is not prominent, but still, take this as a line. We can measure its length. Say, uh, you can give any length you want as to you. So we can measure its length, but we cannot measure its thickness nor its width. And now, let me say some more properties about a line. So this one is a line. Alright. So a line is basically has two arrows in front of each. This is just to say that a line is infinite. It can be extended on both the sides uh, without any length. It has no length. It can be extended on both the sides. If it has two arrows on its side. If it does not has any arrow, it is a line segment. It has specific length. But if it does not have specific length and has two arrows, that means it can be extended from both the sides infinitely. Now I draw this or this. Anything. This. These are all curved lines. These are all curved lines. A line means a straight line. A straight line. I know my one is a curved line, but a line means a straight line. Now a line can have uncountable amount of points in there. Like here, 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 it can have many points. Uncountable. can have many points as much it can hold. And in many points it is uncountable, means it can have infinite amount of points. Now let's move on to the next thing. Now guys, so now ray. Now ray, it is a straight line that starts from a given fixed point and moves in the same direction. So this is a point, it is starting from here, it is going, alright. One side can extend infinitely and the other one is fixed. So now, if both the sides have arrow, it can be extended in both the side and it is a line. If it has a point on one side and an arrow on one side, then it means it can be extended infinitely in only one side and it is a ray. And if it has point on both the ends, then it has to be of a fixed or a definite length and it is a line segment. Now let me say something about the ray. So a ray, basically these I just said. So a ray can start from a giving, actually no, like this was the point. Unlimited amount of rays can be drawn from here. Unlimited amount of rays. The same goes for line also. Unlimited amount of lines can be drawn from a fixed point. So I hope you guys have understood till here. So line segment I already told you what it is. So now let's move on to the next. But wait. So now I want to show you guys one more thing. This was a line and it has 2 points, A and B. So the name of the line is AB. It is named by its point. The name of the line is AB. Same thing goes for a ray also. Ray CD. For a line segment, these are only the points D and E. So line segment DE. So I hope you guys have understood. Now let's move on to surface. Surface. Here guys, now surface and planes. A surface has length, width, but no thickness. For example, this thing is only a surface, alright. So it has length, width, but no thickness. The surface mm, uh, can be straight, mean it can be flat or curved. A flat surface, what? Flat? Sorry, a flat surface. So plane is a flat surface and the properties are as same as surface. Okay. Now one more thing. Now, as I said, you can name the lines, angles with lines raised with the points. Now, see. One thing I want to show you. This was a line and the name I gave it F E. FG. Alright. I gave it FG. Now we can write it FG. This one is its symbol. Alright. Otherwise GF symbol. Both are correct. Now if this was a ray. So the name would be, it would be like this. FG. But GF out here will not be the same. Alright? And say like this. Then this will be wrong and this one will be right. Alright? Now the next one is the line segment. The name of the line segment I am giving FG only. So the line segment you can name it like this. F, G or G, F. Alright? Now let's move on to the next thing.